Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to see chapter 3, A Trip to Bhopal. From this chapter you can create and solve real life situations and problems including money, length, mass and capacity by using the 4 operations. Do you know what are 4 operations? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have already learnt about the place value. Now we will see how to write greatest and smallest number by using the given numbers. I am going to give you an example. Form greatest and smallest number by using the numbers 6, 4, 9. Which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 4. Next immediate greater number is 6. Greatest number is 9. So, if you want to write the smallest number, start from the smaller number, that is 4. Immediate greater number is 6. Write 6. And next greatest number, that is 9. Smallest number is 469. To write the greatest number, start from the greatest number, that is 9. Immediate greater number, that is 6, and smaller number, that is 4. Now the greatest number is 964. If you want to remember, you can remember like this. For smallest number, we have to write the numbers in ascending order. For the greatest number, we have to write the numbers in descending order. From the 4 basic operations, today we are going to see only 2 operations, that is addition and subtraction. If we are trying to solve any direct problem, you can judge that based on the symbols they give. Plus symbol for addition, minus symbol for subtraction. But in word problem, you need to know some keywords for different number operations. For addition, we have add, sum, in all, both, plus, altogether, combined, etc. For subtraction, we have subtract, how many more, less, minus, need to, remaining, take away, etc. That means we have to subtract. Solve the given word problem. Ram has rupees 500. He wants to buy a math book for rupees 262 and a story book for rupees 185. Does he have enough money? First, you have to add the cost of books which Ram plans to buy and then subtract the total amount from rupees 500 which Ram has. If we get remaining, then you can say that Ram has enough money. If it exceeds, that is more than 500, that means we can say that Ram doesn't have enough money. Shall we do it? First, add the cost of math book and a story book, that is rupees 262 plus rupees 185. Now we will add this. 2 plus 5 is 7. Write 7 in ones place. Next, 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 to be written down and 1 is carried over to the next digit, that is hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Total amount is rupees 447. Is it less than 500 or more than 500? We will see that. Subtract rupees 447 from rupees 500. Rupees 500 minus rupees 447. Shall we subtract? We cannot subtract 7 from 0. So borrow 110 from tens place. But in tens place again we have 0. Move on to the next digit, that is hundreds place. Borrow 100 from 500s. Now 4 hundreds are only in hundreds place. In tens place there are 10 tens. Borrow 110 from 10 tens. Now in tens place 9 tens are there. In ones place there are 10 ones. Now we can subtract 7 from 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Answer is rupees 53. So Ram has enough money. Let's see the next sum. A shopkeeper orders 360 red papers, 490 yellow papers and 270 blue papers. How many papers did he order in total? Total is the keyword of addition. Now we will see how to add this. Add 360 red papers, 490 yellow papers and 270 blue papers. 360 plus 490 plus 270. Write the numbers in column. Put plus symbol. Now start adding the numbers from ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Write 0 in ones place. Now add the numbers in tens place. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 2 to be written down and 2 is carried over to the next digit, that is hundreds place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. Now the answer is 1120. A shopkeeper ordered 1120 papers. Next sum. Maran has rupees 7563 in his bank account. He withdraws rupees 4371 for buying a guitar. How much money is left in his account? Look at the word withdraws. That means take out. Left is the keyword of subtraction. Now we will see how to subtract this. Write the numbers in column. Put minus symbol. Now start subtracting 7563 minus 4371. Subtract the numbers in ones place. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Write 2 in ones place. See the numbers in tens place. We cannot subtract 7 tens from 6 tens. To subtract this, we should borrow from the next digit, that is hundreds place. We have 5 hundreds. Borrow 100 from 5 hundreds. Put a cross mark on 5 and write 4 above the number 5. Now we have only 4 hundreds. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Here we already have 6 tens. Add this 10 tens with the 6 tens. So we have totally 16 tens. Now we can subtract 7 tens from 16 tens. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Write 9 in tens place. Next, subtract the numbers in hundreds place. That is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Write 1 in hundreds place. Next, thousands place. Subtract 4 from 7. That is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Write 3 in thousands place. We get the answer as 3192. Rupees 3192 is left in Maran's account. Children, you would have understood the addition and subtraction very well. Watch the video repeatedly and do the worksheets. Thank you, children.